Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML add element and other elements we can place inside the add element, along with the benefit of using add element. Quickly, let's continue. The add element is a container for the following elements: title, style, meta, link, script, and base element. The HTML add element is a container for metadata, which is data about data, and is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag. The HTML metadata is data about the HTML document. Metadata is not displayed. Metadata typically define the document title, character set, styles, scripts, and other meta information. Quickly, let me show you how this works. Get back to our document. We are having this page right here. It is empty. So and also let's check the document. The document also is empty right now. Quickly, let's define our HTML elements. We quickly write doc type HTML, and also what do we need again? We need HTML tag. Inside this HTML tag we can place our body tag, right? So before the body tag, that's where we are going to place our HTML add element. Place add inside here, like this is add and this is body, like human being. So add begin first. So inside this add element is where we are going to place our metadata. It's where we are going to place our style, link, script, base, and so on. So that's what we are talking about right here. So inside this add element is where we are going to start working on. So I want you to stay tuned and follow along. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and to the next.